Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. So in today's video we will be checking up on visualization part, the charts. We have different cost on it, or there are different charts, bar graphs which are available in Excel, how we can create those charts and how we can customize, how we can change, how we can format. So entire part I will cover here. So let's get started on the screen. So on screen we have a dummy data where we have 6 columns. So I will create a chart out of this simple dummy data. So I will recommend to all, before creating charts, just create a pivot chart. Instead of creating normal charts, create pivot charts which are very easy to manipulate, which are very easy to change. So I will click on pivot chart and pivot table. I will use both, or maybe only pivot chart. So I will click on OK. So here we have pivot chart. The benefit of pivot chart is it works the similar way like pivot tables are getting used. So if I, let's say, region in axis and units, sum of units in values, so it will create the same chart. In axis we have region and sum of units. We do not have same way, maybe representative name, we have unit cost also, we can put in values, the second values will be there. Or maybe in case I don't want region, instead of region I want chart on name level, so I will put name in axis level, name would be there. So this is how we can create charts, and any change is required we can do those changes as well. For example, here I can change the name, representative name, sum of units. Here if I select sum of units, if I put here yes, so it will change here as well. And let's say I will change 172. okay, this part I cannot change, I guess. And if I try this John F, so it will also change here, John F. So I'm not sure, 396, yeah, here's John F. So I can change the values as well, or I can change it as per our requirement. Now chart is has been done. Let's say I want to change it to some other visual. I can right click on this, there is the option change chart type. So here we have all the charts which are available. Let's say I want to change to pie chart, or pie chart also, let's say this one, or maybe donut. So I will click on OK. So it has changed to this inner donut, and I want labels as well. So all formatting part of this chart I can do from here, plus I can click on plus data labels, I can check. Now I have data labels as well. Further, this also, let's say I can change it to move here and there. I can change if I double click on this. So here I will get all the formatting options. It's currently light, right, I can put in left, bottom, top, as per requirement I can do, or text options as well I can change. I can change the color. And same way, let's say if I want to put it to the left, if I want to change this pie chart, I have some of the options here as well. There's a color option which I can change, fill option we have, no fill, color brown, borders I can put, series option. So these are the all format properties which we can select as per our requirement, and we can change. So this is how basically this pivot chart works. We can create any chart as per our requirement, and we can manipulate from here if we are creating a pivot chart. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching Tricky World.